Hey guys, I hope everything is going well on your side, and once again I'm back with a fresh strategy for making money online. So in today's video I'll be showing you one of the simplest ways to make money online in 2022, and it's safe to say that not many people know this method. Not only is it one of the best methods I've ever tried, but it comes with a lot of benefits. As you know, you can earn from $600 upwards with this technique in just 24 hours. You also can participate without having to pay a cent to anyone. And all it takes for you to pull this off is a device with internet connection, and that can be your mobile phone. Another benefit is that this method is available for every country on the planet, so it doesn't really matter where you are as we speak, so you can just get right onto it immediately and revive your bank account today. So in today's video I'm gonna show you 3 websites that will amaze you given the potential of making money they have. All you need to do though is watch the video until the end so you can get all the pointers I'll be giving you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new and you want to make money without capital. So without further ado, I'm the Make Money Online strategist. Let's not waste time, let's make some cash. So the first website we're gonna head to is Brave.com. So basically Brave works the same way as Google, and it boasts of being the website that is 3 times faster than Chrome. And now look, they say they offer better protection from Google and big tech. So what makes Brave stand out is what you will find as you browse through their website and check out their amazing features they offer. So with maximum security, they say you can stop being followed online as they shut out all creepy ads like sports betting, crypto that may pop up on your screen, and also the privacy mode is literally so simple that you can activate it with a click and it will do all the work for you. Now besides that, you can also find intense accessibility and the best experience as you use this app, making it the best browser you could come across. So with all the extraordinary features by Brave, one might ask himself, how is the money made then? Because that's what we ultimately want. The answer is simple. You are already making tons of money by browsing online and looking at your favorite creators. That's all you need to do, and you just go to your account information and there you have it. Money going straight into your account. So if you guys are enjoying the video, please don't hesitate to smash the like button so it can be successful, which will therefore give me the energy to generate more videos so we can make more money online. Anyway, the second website I'd like us to get into is Upvoice.com. You can see what Upvoice is about the moment you set your eyes on it. Here you can start earning gift cards by visiting social media platforms on your own device. Now that you think about it, earning a gift card because you visited Facebook is like a giveaway because you can do that for free, but to get paid for it is literally something else. So now the question is, how does it work? So what you're gonna do now is scroll down to this part right here where it breaks down how it works. So the first step is to install the software. After you sign up, just install the Upvoice browser extension. It's safe and easy to use. Step number 2 is to browse. So here you'll simply visit their supported social media platforms you visit on the daily. So now step number 3 has to be our favorite, because what you do right here is you simply earn. As you browse, Upvoice anonymously captures the ads and gives you daily points that can be redeemed for gift cards. And did you know that the gift cards associated are so comprehensive, and they have a full list like Amazon, prepaid Visa card, PayPal, Burger King, eBay. That's just to mention a few. So feel free to check this page for information to get more accustomed to it. So now it's time to sign up. So you'll obviously click on sign up and you'll be redirected to a page like this, where you'll be registered for a brand new and free account. The sign up process is also simple and quick because you can choose to continue with Microsoft or Yahoo. So once you do that, all you gotta do is start earning your points and spend, just like that. Now it's time we move to the third and final website, which is QMe.com. So this one here has to make the grand entrance because it's the easiest among the 3, and here you can share your opinion and shop to earn real cash rewards. And this is actual cash to be more specific. All you need to do is share your opinions on brands by completing surveys anytime, and once you do this you will be greatly rewarded and watch your earnings grow every day. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna claim your money through PayPal, which is very convenient because PayPal is a very popular way of withdrawing funds. So now I have to walk you through the process of doing this properly for you to start earning today. So firstly, what you can do is you can do surveys where businesses want to know your opinion and they want to pay for it. Not in points, not in swag, but cash. Another thing you could do is you could earn cash back on great products and enjoy your wallet being a little bigger at the end of the month. And lastly, you can find deals on the biggest brands around. And if you need a little more assistance, they are happy to suggest some for you. I also want to remind you that QME takes pride in their excellent rating on Trustpilot with an amazing score of 4.5 out of 5 stars, which means they know what they are doing and they are professional at things like giving you your money on time, for example. So with that said, QME is the sweetest of the bunch, but you gotta use all 3 platforms I showed you to make a ton of money. And another thing, if you want to make money more than this, feel free to check out some of the videos across the channel and see the method that suits you perfectly. And remember to subscribe if you haven't. So this brings us to the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.